Audimute provides sound management solutions that are easy, green, and affordable. After correctly treating your space with Audimute, whether through sound absorption, sound blocking, or a mix of both, we guarantee you will love what you hear, or do not hear. In this video, I'll show you how to install Audimute acoustic panels using our hang tabs. Hang tabs can be used for our Fabric and AcoustiColor panels, as well as acoustic shapes. The hang tabs are made of durable plastic with an adhesive backing that adheres to the back of the panels and is secured with 2 screws. The tab is then used to mount the panels to the wall, using one of the methods shown in this video. For the easy hang tab method, you'll just need the hang tabs with included screws, a level, a pencil, and a Phillips head screwdriver. I'll be installing an acoustic image panel and 2 fabric acoustic panels. The image panels are so awesome because any image can be used for a truly personalized panel. The fabric panels are also great because they are made with designer acoustic fabric from Guilford of Maine. Typically, 2 hang tabs are used for panels. However, larger panels may require more. For these panels, I'll be using 2 tabs per panel. To start, position the panel into place on the wall. Place a level on top of the panel to ensure the panel is level. Remove the level and mark the top lightly with a pencil. Next, simply screw the wall dog fasteners into the wall, just below the line. Make sure to leave a small 1/8 inch gap for the hang tab. The self-stick part of the hang tab can be used to help position it on the back of the panel. Just peel the waxed backer off the hang tab placed over the screw on the wall, sticky side up. Then position the panel firmly into place, sticking the hang tabs to the back side temporarily. Carefully remove the panel to secure the hang tabs onto the back with the small screws provided. You can then easily hang the panel back onto the wall, like you would a wall clock, sliding the keyholes over the screws, and it will be positioned precisely where you want it. Another option, which will require a measuring tape, is to first adhere the hang tabs to the back of the panel. Secure them to the panel with the screws. Then measure the distance between the keyholes on the hang tabs. Apply the same measurement to the wall and mark the end points on the wall with a pencil. Next, simply screw the wall dog fasteners into the wall, leaving an 1/8 inch gap, and then hang the panel. Here are a few tips if you want to stack the panels, one right above the other. For this installation, I'll be using beveled edge fabric acoustic panels. These panels are wrapped in the asteroid fabric from Guilford of Maine's Anchorage line of acoustic fabrics. First, attach 2 tabs above the top edge for all panels except for the top panel or row. Remove the waxed backer, stick them to the back side, and secure them with 2 small screws for each as shown. Start from the very bottom, closer to the floor, and work your way up the wall, resting each panel on top of the last. Make sure to level the lowest panel very well. You can then see what you're doing with the tab out over the top as you screw each to the wall. Then follow the first steps to mount the very top panel or row. If you would like free sound advice, have any questions about our products, installation methods, or optimal coverage, please reach out to us via email, chat on audimute.com, or call 866-505-MUTE. Please be sure to check out the links in the description below. Thanks for watching.